In this video, I'll show you how to set your Telegram notification sound. I'm going to open up Telegram first. Come here to the top left and click on these three horizontal lines. Now scroll down here and click on Settings. And you'll see this option that says Notifications and Sounds. Click on that. Now if I scroll down right, here we have notifications for different things, chats, groups, channels. We have calls and so for calls, you can go ahead and set a notification to either vibrate or have a ringtone. You can go ahead and set that up. Let's go ahead and we'll do this one as our ringtone. Okay. And then the vibrate, we can keep this as a default one only when it's silent, maybe, right? So go ahead and do that. And now we can also toggle on or off in-app sounds, vibrate, preview, in-chat sounds, different things like this according to your needs. Okay. And if you want, you can always go ahead and reset everything as well according to the defaults. But it's really that easy and simple. Go ahead and do this to your liking.